Brennan, what are you doing?
Eating pizza.
Brennan, our chemistry handwarmer project is due tomorrow.
Dude, it's okay. We'll just do it tomorrow.
You said that all week. We don't have tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Let's get started on it.
Thank you.
So where do we start?
I mean, yeah, my hand is warmer, but like, I don't think this is like really what I'm going for. Like,
Well, it's not working?
It is. Well, I mean, it is working, but it needs to be more like science-y, you know, like chemical reaction-y.
You can always try a CaCl2 in water.
Well, why didn't you say so? Thanks for your help. Right. All right.
Our chemical equation is calcium chloride, solid, yields calcium chloride, aqueous. Now, for our equation, we have enthalpy is equal to delta T, change in temperature, times specific heat, times mass. Now, this is the specific heat of the surroundings, so water in this case. For the equation, we want 60-degree change Celsius, and the specific heat of water is 4.184 joules per gram of Celsius. Now, we need to multiply by the water, the mass of the water, which is 50 grams. This equation should yield 12,552 joules. Now, in order to find how many grams we need of calcium chloride, we're going to use joules and convert to grams. So first, we have 12,552 joules. I'm going to put calcium chloride here so we know what we're working with, times 1,000 joules in 1 kilojoule. Now, we're dealing with kilojoules. And then we know that there are 81.5 kilojoules per 1 mole of calcium chloride. And we know this because we can take the difference of standard enthalpy change of formation between solid and aqueous calcium chloride, which would be this. Now, in order to convert from moles to grams, we have 1 mole per 110.98 grams of calcium chloride. All of this should yield 17.09 grams of CaCl2 to 50 grams of water. Now, the issue is, whenever we did this experiment, we had a 50% yield of this. That means the temperature only changed 30 degrees. In order to get a 60-degree change, we decided to halve the water. So, what it looks like is 25 grams of H2O plus 17.09 grams of CaCl2 will yield a 60-degree change in Celsius. Specific heat is the amount of energy it takes to raise a substance by 1 degree of Celsius. So for water, it takes 4.184 joules to raise 1 gram of water by 1 Celsius. So we have 12,552 joules, and we'll be multiplying that by 1 calorie over 4.184 joules. Now, note that this is a small c. 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joules. After this, we can see that we will have 3,000 lowercase calories.
Alrighty, so Brennan finished the calculations, and actually, I should find out if our product has any environmental or safety hazards to it. I know, I'll call Lexi. Hey Lexi? Yeah, could I ask you a few questions really quick? Alright, thanks.
Hello? Hey Jordan, what's up? Oh, you want to know about the health effects of CaCl2? Okay. Well, I have plenty of info. Contact with ice and skin can be irritating, and ingestion can cause nausea or cardiac problems. If it's ingested, make sure to drink water, and if it's got on skin or eyes, make sure to carefully rinse off with water. Also be careful because the hand warmer can get extremely hot, and if you're not careful, it can burn your skin. Environmental issues. You want to know about that too? Okay, well, everything in your hand warmer is recyclable, and remember that CaCl2 is essentially a salt, so its harm to the earth is basically nothing. So go ahead and give it a go. It's a good hand warmer.
Wait, so how much does one hand warmer cost to build?
Well, let's find out.
So how's that hand warmer holding up for you, Brennan?
Jordan, it is so good. It's gotten up to like 160 degrees Fahrenheit and it's still going. It's been like 15 minutes.
Well, why would you buy this hand warmer over other hand warmers, Brennan?
If I had to choose anything, I'd say because of how easy it is to use. And not to mention these really cool patterns.
How much does it cost? I mean, that's a pretty nice looking hand warmer.
I got it for maybe like $6. And dude,
not
it's a
bad.
steal. It's a great price. And I mean, not to mention for how good of a product it is.
What are we gonna call it? Like, we need some like catchy, catchphrase.
You know what? They call them hotties. Only for the sexy people. For viewers like you. Not to mention that you sexy people can have this hottie pack in different patterns. It's beautiful. Holy Jordan!
What?
That's not a good idea.
My hand's warmer.
That's dangerous! I could like burn if I got too close to that. You can't even put it out! Shh.
It's okay though.
Are we actually rolling?
Yeah, we are. Go ahead.
Enthalpy is equal to delta T, which is change in temperature, times specific heat, times mass. For our equation, we have a 60-degree change. We have
That looks like a
specific heat of
66.
water. We have specific heat of water, which
Okay,
is
let's do that again.
you. Why are you making fun of my handwriting?
I'm not. That actually looks like a 66.
It looks like
on
a
the camera.
60.
No, it doesn't. Look on the camera. It looks like a 66.